Mahirap isipin, aalis ka na, ngunit ang alaala mo sa amin ay laging kasama. Bawat tawa, bawat kwento, bawat halakhak ay mananatili sa puso namin magpakailanman. Salamat sa bawat araw, bawat sandali na ikaw ay nandyan, nagbibigay ng ligaya. Paalam, Kathleen, good luck sa'yo. Bagong simula sa San Diego. Salamat sa lahat ng alaala. Ang Amazon friends mo laging narito para sa'yo. Kahit malayo ka, damang-dama namin ang iyong presensya. Ang init ng iyong puso ay di mawawala kailanman. Sa bawat tawa, bawat yakap, bawat munting kwento, ikaw ay espesyal. Walang kapantay sa amin. Abutin mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Kami palaging nandito, sumusuporta sa'yo. Paalam, Kathleen, good luck sa'yo. Bagong simula sa San Diego. Salamat sa lahat ng alaala. Ang Amazon friends mo laging narito para sa'yo. Kahit saan ka man mapunta, laging tandaan, mahal ka namin. Ang bawat alaala, bawat tawa, bawat luha ay laging mananatili sa amin. Paalam, Kathleen, good luck sa'yo. Laging masaya, huwag mong kalimutin. Kahit sa dulo mo na, ang Amazon family kang nagmamahal sa'yo.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers. Even if our last hurrays were never clear. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. Here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only you.
Okay na? Hi Ate Cap! Ingat po palagi. Sana, so contact pa rin kayo. Ate, kung gusto nyo may tanong kayo or something, o kailangan nyo ng karamay. Ate, sige, ingat kayo palagi. God bless po.
Kita, salamat sa pag-ano natin, pag-trabaho dito sa Amazon. Sana mag-enjoy ka doon sa San Diego. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kathleen. It's been great getting to know you. You're awesome. You're going to do awesome anywhere you are. I'm going to miss the heck out of you. Excuse my language. But I hope you do well where you are. Big heart from me to you. Thank you.
Hi, Kathleen. How are you? I miss you. Yeah, take care. Take care of your baby also. I miss you too much. Bye, Kathleen.
For you. After we come back to work together. Bye bye. See you soon. Yeah.
Hi Kathleen, it's Preeti here. It's so nice working with you, and it's all the best wishes for your future, and we are really going to miss you. We love you all and we'll miss you.
Hi, I heard that you're leaving us. We're gonna miss you. So you hopefully have some good luck out there. Take care of yourself, all right? See you later.
Hi Kathleen, I wish you best in your new place. See you.
Thanks, Kathleen.
Bilis Wapa. You're going to San Diego. That's good to be with your husband, so you can bang bang. Stay safe. I'll see you whenever if I'm ever in California. Get to work, Bilis.
Say bye.
See ya.
See ya.
VTO? Oh, video. Hey Kathleen, just wanted to say hi and thank you for working with me, and I enjoyed working with you. So if you need anything in the near future, you know, we've got the team here. Please reach out, please let us know. Thank you.
Hola, miau miau, te voy a extrañar muchísimo. Espero que la pases muy bien por allá. So, I miss you. Thank you for help. Thank you for every time. So, see you.
Hey, Kathleen.
have a nice trip and safe trip. I wish you all the best. See you. Have a nice day there and stay well. Okay, I've been happy with you during our time here. Very happy. Nice somebody. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Hey, I'm working with you. I was so happy and I miss you. And good luck for you.
Oh, my friend, dahil sa iyo, because of you, I've come to know your friendship, and you smile, and you make me happy. Now you're going away, you're going to make me sad. How can you leave me like that? How can you do this to me? We're going to get my kankanin. Baby, come back.
Hi, Catherine. Yeah, happy for your work together, and I wish you a very good trip. Yeah. And see you later. Take care. Bye.
Go. Okay. Hi, Kelly. Nice to see you. I miss you. Take care of yourself.
All right. Hey, Kathleen. It's your tall friend. We used to be like this, but now you just crushed my heart. You're leaving. Oh, man. I'm going to be so sad. But hey, your tall friend is going to miss you, and I'm happy for you. And I wish you all the best, okay? We're gonna miss you out here in Everett, okay? And most especially your tall friend is gonna miss you. So stay in touch. I still have your brother, my idol, and you're my idol too. So stay in touch, and I wish you all the best, Kathleen.
All right. Bye.
Hello, Kat. Na nga. Paano, iiwan mo na kami. Basta, iingat na lang. And regards na lang sa lahat, lalo sa family mo. Huwag kang mag-alala, nandito pa naman si Kay. At minsan-minsan, medyo balitaan mo rin kami. Okay. Sige, ingat. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate. It was nice working with you. We'll miss you. I hope California treats you well. I'll come down to California for In and Out.
Hi, Kathleen. Thank you sa lahat. Ingat ka doon sa California. We will miss you.
Hi, Ate Kathleen. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the good times that you spent together. Salamat sa good vibes. Thank you for sharing this wonderful time that we've had together ever since I met you sa ating warehouse. Hindi lang din sa warehouse, pati sa mga outings natin. It was the best time that I've had with you. And I wish you more blessings sa future mo, wherever you go, wherever life takes you. I hope that you'll continue to remember me and the rest of your Amazon family dito. We're gonna miss you. We love you.
I make this video because I have something I want to say to you before you leave. First is it's been a pleasure that been working with you and meeting you. Second is I wish you all the best to you, your daughter, your husband, and you guys next chapter in California.
Beshi, wala na ako message kasi matigas na ulo mo. Ano na lang, have fun. Ingat. 2 joints.
Hi Ate, I'm gonna miss you so much. I hope you have a good life in California. And thanks for being so kind and sweet to me while we were at Amazon. I miss you.
Ate, hindi ako magba-bye-bye. Alam mo, love na love kita, di ba? Mahal ka ni mahal. Lumayo ka man sa amin. O kaya kami limutin. Huwag ka nang babalik. Huwag nagkalimutan, ha? Balik agad. Love you, ate. Mama.
Hi, Ate Kat. It's Rose. I just want you to know that I will miss you. I'm so happy for you. It's gonna be a new beginning. And we're always here for you. Good luck. And I pray for you and your family. And thank you for being such a good friend. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Beshi. my God, ano ba to gagawin namin? Magme-message kami para sa'yo. Hindi ako sanay. So, okay. Good luck sa journey mo with your family papuntang California. At nandito lang kami na Amazon family mo na anytime pwede kang bumalik. And of course, mamimiss ko namin, Beshi. Walang iiyak, okay? Love you, Beshi. Bye.
Hi, Kat. Oh my God, ito na ba yung time? I'm gonna miss you. Okay. Para, wag na akong umiyak. Kainan pa ako. Alam mo yun, marami na akong videos na retake at saka naiiyak ako doon. Anyway, because I'm gonna miss you, girl. Anyhow, I wish you all the best to your new adventures with your family and to have a wonderful, wonderful experience. I miss you, girl. Mamimiss ka namin sa mga gathering, syempre, sa kantahan, sa iyawan, and ganyan. I miss you. I love you. You guys all take care na.
Hi, Kat. Good luck sa'yo, ha? Malapit ka nang umalis. For sure, mamimiss kita. Mamimiss mo yung maririnig, hindi mo na maririnig yung anong balita dyan. But, happy for you, Kat, kasi magkakasama-sama na kayo ng family mo. At, I don't know what to say, pero isa ka sa pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko. Walang biro yon. Totoo yon. I hope na hindi ka magbabago kahit anong mangyari. Ikaw pa rin yung sweet cat, rosy cheeks, and loving cat. So, di bale, kasama ka pa sa group chat. So, you're still updated sa mga chika-chika. But, I love you, Kat. Good luck on your new journey, okay? Bye-bye.
Kathleen, alis ka na pala. Di man tayo nakapag-set ng inom, masaya ako na nakilala kita. Mag-ingat kayo ng pamilya mo sa San Diego. Sana maging masaya kayo doon. Wala na akong kabugukan. Miss you. Peace out. Bye.
Ang hirap isipin, aalis ka na, ngunit ang alaala mo sa amin ay laging kasama. Bawat tawa, bawat kwento, bawat halakhak ay mananatili sa puso namin magpakailanman. Salamat sa bawat araw, bawat sandali na ikaw ay nandyan, nagbibigay ng ligaya. Paalam, Kathleen, good luck sa'yo. Bagong simula sa San Diego. Salamat sa lahat ng alaala. Ang Amazon friends mo laging narito para sa'yo. Kahit malayo ka, damang-dama namin ang iyong presensya. Ang init ng iyong puso ay di mawawala kailanman. Sa bawat tawa, bawat yakap, bawat munting kwento